Teddy Riley, and I am this year's ambassador for the Legendary Awards. It feels great to be a legend and to have something that, you know, the young people as a role model, something that the young people could actually take on as a legacy. I've always been one that wanted to be followed. I wanted to be a leader, and this is where it got me. I would like to thank all of the sponsors and the supporters of the Legendary Awards. This is something that we need to have every year, you know, to acknowledge the living legends. I look forward to doing this every year and supporting this as well, and I hope you all support it as well. Join me on February 7th at the Fox Theater. Make a call to action right now. Make sure you share this on your network.